Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's super relevant for anyone looking to build their presence online. We're talking about starting a YouTube channel using automation in 2025, and I've got an amazing guest with me today who's absolutely crushing it in this space.
Thanks for having me. I'm really excited to share some game-changing strategies that most people don't know about when it comes to YouTube automation.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is YouTube automation, and why is it becoming such a hot topic in 2025?
YouTube automation is essentially creating content at scale using various tools and systems while maintaining quality. In 2025, we're seeing AI tools that can help with everything from content research to video editing, making it possible to produce more content without sacrificing quality.
That's fascinating. Could you break down the key steps for someone who's just starting out?
Absolutely. The first step is choosing your niche and content style. You want to pick something that can be easily systematized. For example, if you're doing finance content, you could use AI tools to gather stock market data and create daily market updates.
And what about the actual content creation process? How does automation fit into that?
This is where it gets exciting. There are now AI tools that can help write scripts, create storyboards, and even generate voiceovers. The key is to create templates and systems that you can replicate. For example, you can use AI to research trending topics, generate outlines, and even create first drafts of scripts.
That's incredible. But I have to ask, doesn't this affect the authenticity of the content?
That's a great question. The key is finding the right balance. You want to use automation to handle the repetitive tasks while maintaining your unique voice and perspective. The human touch is still crucial for adding value and connecting with your audience.
What about the technical aspects? What tools would you recommend for someone starting out in 2025?
There are several great tools available now. You've got AI video editors that can automatically cut and edit footage, content scheduling tools that can optimize posting times, and even AI thumbnail generators. The key is to start with one or two tools and gradually build your stack as you grow.
Could you share some specific strategies that are working well in 2025?
One strategy that's working really well is creating multiple channels with different AI voices and personalities, each targeting specific sub-niches. Another is using AI to repurpose your content across different platforms automatically. The key is to maintain consistency while scaling.
What about the investment needed? Is this something that requires a lot of capital to start?
Actually, it's more accessible than ever. Many AI tools offer free tiers or affordable starting plans. The initial investment is more about time, setting up your systems and processes. Once those are in place, the costs are quite manageable.
Before we wrap up, what's your number one piece of advice for someone looking to start their YouTube automation journey in 2025?
Start small, but think big. Begin with one channel and one content type, perfect your process, and then scale. Don't try to automate everything at once. Focus on automating the tasks that take up most of your time but add the least value. And always prioritize content quality over quantity.
This has been incredibly insightful. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
Thank you for having me. And for anyone starting their YouTube automation journey, remember that the tools are just enablers. Your unique perspective and value proposition are what will ultimately make you successful.
And that's all for today's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more content like this. See you in the next